Now I want you to imagine that you can earn up to $1,000 as a passive income by simply creating an automatic click system that will help you in creating huge money. Just stick with me till the end so you will not miss any step. So let's get started. This automatic click system will allow you to earn passive income from anywhere in the world. You could be on the beach, in the sauna, sitting by the pool, or relaxing your bed. You could still keep on making money if you follow all of this has reduced to tutorial properly. And to start with, I want to ask you clearly to state why you want to make money online. Why do you want to make money for your laptop or just a smartphone device? Is it so you can have more freedom to do the things you like? Is it because you want to travel and keep making money? Is it because you want to help your loved ones or buy them gifts, or whatever it is? Just let me know in the comments and down below. Make sure to do so because it will be super important for making sure you are ready to set this autopilot system for yourself. And before we begin, make sure to drop a like this video, leave a thumbs up so we can hit 1,000 lives, and if you haven't already, do yourself a favor by clicking that subscribe button with notifications on so you won't miss out on any of the new content. Okay, so before we begin, I just want to show you proof that this actually works and that they're actually paying pretty decently. So this is an exclusive video since I will reveal some platform that we never talked about earlier. So we have never talked about it before, but it works so well. So this is definitely special category will, and you really want to stick with it until the end in order to set it up properly. It's all going to be absolutely free, and this requires no investment. No, this is everything on autopilot. This is where you will create the order click a system. This is that absolutely free platform that we never thought about earlier, and this is the sign of a page. It's gonna be pretty simple to sign up. You'll just need to enter your email address, create a password, and just click on the sign of a button. But before we get to this platform, there's something else which you will need to set up. So for the step in November 1, you'll need to head over to the streaming Braniwo streaming platform called All the Seas. This is over at the rdca.com. This the blood from very similar to you, to where people are uploading different videos and those videos are being watched by millions. Because if you open up the tool called a similar event, that's going to show you that on dec.com is being visited by over 21 million people every single month, and it just started growing. As you can see, like in December they had 6 million visits, but now over 20 million people are using all these see on a regular monthly basis, which is pretty alive. It means we can attract a lot of people are through Odyssey, and you can see that all those people are coming from top tier countries like United States, France, Canada, Germany, and United Kingdom. So for the step number 1, you will come over to All the Sea. You will click on the sign above what dinner right here, and you will register by entering your valid email address in this box. Create a password and is here to sign up into. Once you signed up to odyssey.com, this is how it's going to look like. So here on the right hand side you can see your upload your channels here, and now it extra rewards which you can get to for uploading videos in All the Sea and so on. And don't worry, you will not have to film any videos yourself. You will not have to show your face in the camera, and you will not have to create any videos. Do not worry about that. This is a lot easier and it's pretty simple. You can literally set everything up in less than 15 minutes if you follow all of the steps from this tutorial. So for the stock number 2, you can just explore OTC and see exactly how your account looks like. No one else who signed up to allthesea.com. The step number 3 used to come over to Pete Era. This is already paid Era. This is the platform which is going to pay you for different actions, but the one that we will be focusing on is being created. We're calling you because if you get paid a per click, it that means you can get instant payments 20 complete order pilot, and you will see exactly what I mean by that. As you can raise the minimum payouts there. Hold and request your instant payment easily. 2004 hours a day available for the entire week. You can complete unlimited tasks inside OPD Era right if you want to earn some extra money by doing that. So for the staff and number 3, I want to come or to be there.com and sign up by clicking on the create an account button right here. Now you will need to enter first name, your last name, create a username, answering mail address, create a password, and just hit the sign of a button. Infowars disable your ad blocker, because otherwise it's not going to allow you to use the PDAR platform. Step number 4, once you log into Pete Era, Disco is going to look like said. This is a brand new account which we just created seconds ago, and it's obviously gonna be only 50 cents into the account because we have just created. We still haven't Star Maker in any money. We just got a 50 cents as a sign of a bonus. No, hearing the left hand side you have all these different ways to make money. We paid Arab, but data can only make a couple of dollars here and there, so I don't recommend you do that. A writer in that I want to check out something. On the right hand side you can see that the payout for getting clicks on your link, which is our right here, is $30 per 1,000 clicks. See if you can get it. Clicks on your link, you will get paid per each colleague that you get on your referral link. You will get paid, so they don't need to sign up to donate to do anything. They just need to click on your link and you'll get it. paid off for that, and I will show you how you can set up an order click a system to get those clicks completely passively and earn money completely hands-free. Besides those clicks, if someone signs up for absolutely free to beat Era, someone did once a star maker money by completing those surveys in the left hand side, you will also get paid an additional down to cents per each person that signs up for absolutely free, which may not seem like a lot, but it can quickly add up because we get a little early for millions of people through our link we cannot refer. And a limited amount of people, and for them it's absolutely free to sign up to beat Era, and they can also make some money, so why not? So for this step you will just need to copy your special affiliate flanger special referral link it right here so you can starships, so whenever they click you will get paid, and here you can track your earnings. And if you are wondering how you will be collecting your order but at earnings, well, you can see that they do accept the Babbel, and I noted a lot of you guys lot of people, which is a really great, so they do provide people payments right now. Alright, we're already making some progress, and I hope you are following the steps as we go, because that way by the end of this video you will have everything ready and set up the star making money. So first of all, what you will need to do for this step is you will need to go over to you to come over to you to me. Don't worry, you will not have to publish anything on you. Do you mean you don't need any subscribers? For this you just want to search for videos. They are in the business of finance and making good money space, because Paid Era, the platform that we're promoting, is in that space. It's all about making money, business and finance. So you will need to go over to YouTube and search for those keywords. For example, I'm gonna type in making it money animal search. For that, now you want to filter your search by Creative Commons, because that's going to give you the license to re-upload those videos on other platforms. So now we have all these different videos which we can re-upload. Do you see it? You'll see exactly how that's going to help you make money. So just select a video you like, you can use any down. So does the step number 5, a copy some of those videos from YouTube. I will use this one just as an example. I will copy the link address. Step number 6, and now did you have the video copied from the UTV, have the URL, you will go over to Grueling, you'll search for YouTube to MP4, so you can download those videos to your computer. So can use any of these, they're all absolutely free. Just find one that is working. Be a star link in this box, click on the word MP4, wait until it loads, and just download the video to your computer so you can re-upload it to do all the C.com. And for the final step, in order to set this order click assist them properly, you will need to go back to all of the C, and you will upload the data video which you previously downloaded with W23 MP4 downloader. As say, you will go over to you uploads or right here, and you will click on upload something, and then you will upload that video through all of the C, and in the description of that video you will just add the call to action that's going to say something along the lines of sign up for a free and to make money or something like that. Just create a call to action and then leave your Paid Era link so all the people that find your video on deck can collect on it, can sign up to be there, right? And you will make money even just for clicks. You will be making money. This is pretty simple and easy because it's going to take you no more than 2 minutes to find a video on YouTube downloaded to your computer or any small or any device you are using, any electronic device you are using. Come back to all the C, hurry, upload it, and I'll leave in a link in the description. It's super easy. It's gonna take in no more than 2 minutes to do that, and the more you do it, the higher chances of getting more clicks you will have, and it's always gonna stay on the C, and you can get those clicks on complete autopilot, because when people start searching and when people are watching those videos on DC, they can see your link, they can click on it, and you will get paid again and again and again. We're basically on a limited to times, so that's how you can set up an order click system by using all the C, which is an absolutely free platform which is being visited. We ordered 3 anti-zero people every single month, so millions of people looking to see your videos on the C, and can also see the link in the description of those videos so they can click, and you will make money from that. It's a great passive income machine, and you should definitely leverage it because it's a brand new platform that not a lot of people know about it yet, but it's probably gonna blow up in the future. It's growing at malls by a month, and the sooner you jump on this the better it's going to be for you, and the higher chances of making more money you will have. So definitely go out there and follow all the steps in this tutorial. Set up this order click system before yourself and start making some passive income. And if you didn't like this strategy or you want to try something different, then make sure to click on some of the videos that are on the screen of right now. They're both great strategy is to make money online, so I will definitely see you in some of those too.